Welcome to the 16th video of the Excel for Stock Market series. In today's video, we will be talking about the Donchian Channels Technical Indicator, which is a banded indicator just like the Bollinger Bands that we saw in the previous video. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. If you haven't watched the previous videos in the series, please do so now. We will provide the links in the video description below. Now let's get started. So to talk about the concept, the Donchian channels is a banded indicator. So it'll have an upper line and then a lower line. And this is calculated using the formulas that we're going to talk about now. So let's take an example where we have the date and then the price or the stock information about a specific stock. The open, high, low, and close information is available to us. So let's say we are trying to calculate the Donchian channel parameters or Donchian channel elements for March 31st, 2021. In order to calculate this, first we have to calculate the upper channel point, which is the highest high price in the past 10 days. So the 10 days, I'm using 10 as a parameter here. I will talk about how you can customize it later, but let's just say we are going to calculate the Donchian channel for a 10 period or a 10-day parameter. So the upper channel point will be the highest high in the last 10 days. So if I look at the 10 days, the highest high point was 124.24. Then the lower channel point will be the lowest low in 10 days. So if I take the lowest low, which will be 118.86. These are the two upper and then the lower channel point for March 31. So we can create something similar for every day. Again, the 10 days will keep moving dynamically based on where you are. However, the concept is the highest high is at the top, the lowest low is at the bottom, and then the middle channel is nothing but it's the midpoint between the upper and the lower. So we take the upper channel point value 124.24 and 118.86 and then add them and divide it by 2, we get 121.55. So that is the midpoint. This is what the calculations related to Donchian channels are. Upper channel point, lower channel point, and the middle channel. Now, once we have these values, then we can plot it on the chart. Donchian channels is a measure of the volatility of the price. So how volatile the price is, and that is what Donchian channels is a measure of. Just like any other technical indicator, there are downsides and upsides. There are people who like it, people who don't like it, people who use Donchian channels along with other indicators together to make a more meaningful decision on their trading strategy. So hopefully the concept is clear here. Let's move into how you can use our template to calculate this automatically. And I will go to the Donchian channel sheet. So this is our template where you will just type in on the top left any stock symbol, and then it'll automatically calculate the Donchian channels band that you see here on the chart in the gray area, shaded gray region. Now, before I type in another one and refresh the data, you will see that there is a buy signal here. And if I refresh the data, this buy may go away because as of now, it may not be a buy. I don't know actually. So I'm just gonna let you know that you can see the buy signal. This represents what was the trading signal recommended at this point when the data was refreshed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go to data and then refresh to see what is the information. And at this point, it's still, because I think it's early morning on Monday here, and this is the time as of Friday, 4:59 p.m. So it looks like since the stock market hasn't opened yet, it's still at the same price. So I did refresh it. Now let's go and change it to some other. So I'm going to type in Microsoft, and Microsoft is also at a buy. So there is the trading signal for any stock symbol that you type in, the data will get updated. In order for you to receive this live data from the Microsoft service, you would need Microsoft 365 subscription plan or the free Excel for the web product. which you can use Excel in the browser. So both of those will work with these templates. Now let's talk a little bit about the features. So the inputs are very simple. So you type the stock symbol, that's one. The second thing is you can control the duration of the chart that is on display. So I can change it to 3 months, year to date, 1 year. So you can see that it automatically will update accordingly. There is also the time interval that you can change. So instead of a daily interval, you can change it to weekly or even monthly. So depending on that, the chart will automatically update. The chart itself, the blue line indicates the closing price of the stock symbol that you typed in. And then we have these buy and sell signals. So the buy signal, again, the signals are very, very subjective. What I want to illustrate here is that if we have a strategy, if we want to convert our methodology into signals on the chart, it can be done with a very simple formula. So the formula, the logic that I've implemented here is when a high price of the stock touches the upper channel line. The upper channel line is the upper part of this shaded gray area. And when the high price, keep in mind that the high price is what we use for the calculation, and what we plot on the blue line is the closing price. So the high doesn't have to be equal to the closing. So the logic here is if the high price of your stock on any given day touches the upper channel line, then I'm generating a buy signal or the green triangle. If the low price touches the lower channel line, then I'm saying this is a sell signal, a red circle. So that is the logic I've implemented. And if you would like to change that logic or criteria to something different, you would have to go to the unhide, go to the help sheet. This is where I have all the formulas for the signals. The signal is in column V. So if you can see here, if the low value for the day equals the lower channel line, then sell. If the high value equals the upper channel line, then buy. So if you want to change this criteria, then you can just change this specific if function using formula, then you're good. Then the signal will automatically update. And then when you go back to the chart, then you will see the signals update accordingly. So that's how you can change it. One thing I haven't mentioned is the parameter, that is input parameter for the Donchian channels. There's only one input parameter, which is the length. So if I go back to the concept, you saw that we were using a 10 period as an example, and it doesn't have to be 10. You could do it, I think more common would be 20, but if you want, let's say 15 periods. So now you saw that the band or the channel changed. So similarly, if I want to go 50, now the channel will further change. So depending on what length you as a trader would be comfortable with, the channel will, widen or narrow accordingly. And also if you do weekly, for example, and then change the length to, the length is 20, that's 20 weeks. So that's why I refer to the period instead of referring to as days, because you can change it from daily to weekly to monthly. So that's how you can use this template to create Donchian channels for any stock symbol that you're interested in. And anytime, if you have opened Excel and kept it there for a while, if you want to refresh the data, just hit refresh all, and then it'll go and pull the data from the service. I have provided a link also to TradingView article, which talks about what Donchian channels is and all that. And you can also download this template from Indzara.com. We will provide the link in the video description below. So that's all I wanted to cover in this video. I will talk to you all tomorrow in another video about another technical indicator. If there is a specific technical indicator that you really want me to put a template on or talk about, please share in the comments below. And also please provide comments on whether you prefer me to explain the concept more or talk about the template more, or equally, please let me know what would be helpful. Thank you very much. for watching, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.